parents, soon-to-be parents, and all guardians, welcome to Life with Little Ones channel. And in our today's video, we are going to talk about why you have to get involved in your child's activities, hobbies, and in school. But before we start, let me remind you this. All content and information in this channel is strictly for informational and educational purposes only. It does not constitute professional advice. Therefore, if you wish to apply ideas contained in this video, you are taking full responsibility for your actions. Always consult a professional in the area for your particular needs. So, my dear parents, let's get into it. Get involved in your child's activities, hobbies, and school. It is probably no secret that children who have involved parents are more happy, healthy, and well-adjusted, and excel at their educational and extracurricular pursuits. It can increase their cognitive development, keep them motivated, strengthen the parent-child relationship, and have direct positive influence on their overall academic achievement. In return, it can also help parents achieve a positive outlook on their parenting, increase their own self-confidence and self-esteem, and most likely, feel more satisfied with their child's educational experience at school. But my dear parents, where do you get involved? With today's busy schedule between home, work, and school, it may feel like the average family has very little quality time to offer. However, different options and levels of commitment are available to fit every parent's availability, and with some careful planning and dedication, you can make it a positive experience for both yourself and your child. Remember this, my dear parents. First of all, discover what your child is most passionate about. Maybe you have thought about volunteering for the school bake sale to raise money, but your child is actually more actively involved in her local Girl Scout troop. So, if that's the case, then get together with the other Girl Scout parents and see what you can contribute to help the troop. Or maybe you could organize a bake sale to benefit their next summer outing. My dear parents, it's also important to consider what skills, talents, and abilities you can bring to the table. Maybe your child's school is in desperate need of your help organizing a fundraiser, but your skill in sewing and designing might better serve the school. If you were to help, make the costume for the school play. Remember, my dear parents, you want this to be a positive experience for both of you, and if your child senses that you are not happy with what you have chosen to become involved in, then they likely will not be happy either. But the bottom line is to get involved and stay involved. Keep this in mind, my dear parents, soon-to-be parents, and all guardians, that children of involved parents are less likely to get into mischief, have emotional problems, or have trouble in school. And in this way, you benefit by connecting with and staying connected to your child. And in this way, it is a win-win situation for you and your child. And that's all for our parenting tips today, my dear parents, soon-to-be parents, and all guardians. Thank you for watching. I hope that you like our video today, and if you do, please do me a favor. Please hit the like and the share button. It really helps to support my channel, and I gently appreciate it. And while you are down there, go ahead and click the subscribe button as well, because we have a ton of other videos to my channel that I think you will enjoy, and I hope that you like the topic I shared today. And I would like to remind you that this video is for informational or educational purposes only. Thank you for watching, and please enjoy your day with all your little ones. Bye bye.